Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote access platform, which is AnyDesk and RealVNC Connect. So to get started with a quick analysis about how you can simply use the remote desktop setup. So to get started with the analysis, AnyDesk in 2025 is known for its speed, low resource usage, and its simplicity. It's great for individual freelancers and a small business that want a lightweight remote desktop tools without a lot of setup. It supports all major platforms like Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS, offering a strong performance even on a weak connection, and has a free version for personal use. Its pricing is also more budgeting friendly and compared to many enterprise tools. You're talking about Royal NVC Connect, however, focus more on secure enterprise, grade remote access. It uses a strong encryption, multi-factor authentication, and audit logging, making it a better fit for organizations that prioritize compliance and a large-scale deployment. While it's reliable and secure, its interface can feel more technical, and the pricing is higher than AnyDesk for a comparable use cases. In conclusion, AnyDesk win for users who want a fast, affordable, and a simple remote access, while Real NVC Connect is better for business that need a high security and are managing many devices in a controlled enterprise environment. And that's it.